Hello everyone, I'm Gabrielle from Woodland Sunrise. We are a natural skincare company. This week, we received a surprise gift from Wholesale Supplies Plus. They sent us a sneak peek of their new fall fragrances that just got released today. In this video, I will be reviewing the new fragrance oils that they just released. So let's get started. So when I first opened the package, the first thing I saw was this card. It says, enjoy a sneak peek at our new fall and winter fragrances. First one I'm going to be smelling is pomegranate champagne. And it says that this one has notes of sparkling champagne bubbles and tangerine zest. When I smell that, I do smell champagne. Even though it's supposed to be a fall scent, it makes me think of a New Year's party. I feel like I'm at a New Year's party all dressed up in a really elegant dress. I would buy that. I would buy this. If I smelled a soap that smelled like that and I was having a party at my house, I would put this at the kitchen sink or in the guest bathroom. I would want people to smell this. Even a candle with that. So, pomegranate champagne. I absolutely love this already. This is amazing. So the next one, all the feels. Oh my goodness. This one definitely gives me all the feels. I don't know what it is about it, but something about this fragrance makes me feel like I'm a little kid again. This one has orange, clove leaf, pear. There's cedarwood, spiced apple, and amber. That's just like such a cozy feeling. I love that. This one is amazing. If you want your friends and family to feel all the feels, buy all the feels. All right, now I'm going to be smelling juniper and evergreen. That one makes me happy. I feel like I'm at a Christmas tree farm. I feel like I'm walking through a Christmas tree farm and it's snowing and I'm in a Hallmark movie. Have you ever seen the Hallmark movies, the Christmas ones? They're always at a Christmas tree farm or something like that. It feels country, it feels rustic, like a rustic Christmas or even rustic fall. It's just, I feel cozy. I love that one. That one is great. All right, so we had juniper evergreen, all the feels, and pomegranate champagne. If I had to choose out of all three of these, I think my favorite would be all the feels because it brings back like old times, like Christmas as a little kid. I don't know what it is about this one. Thank you, Wholesale Supply Plus, for sending us this amazing gift. I love all of these. Honestly, it's a hard decision. They're all my favorite. I love all of these so much. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can see our upcoming videos using these fragrances. I'm so excited to use these, to gift them, to sell them at markets. I am so excited. I love all of these. So if you like this video, share it, and thank you.